Yep, that's right. I got a new iPad and some new stuff. Hey guys, so in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the stuff. So let's first start with the accessories I bought. Let's first start with the 30-watt USB-C power brick. Here it is. Stupid paper design, half of the side of the work now. Alright, that's done. Does have documentation, I do care about that. Next up is going to be the USB-C charge cable. I decided to get a 2 meter because I know that the 1 meter is too short, so I decided to get a 2 meter. I know the iPad comes with a 1 meter, but like I said, it's too short, so I went with the 2 meter. That's out of the way. We can just connect this into here. Alright. Let's see. Alright, next up will be the the USB-C to headphone jack adapter. Now because I do have an iPad Pro 2nd gen 11-inch, but I have this adapter like this, but it's a third party and it's really not that great, so I decided to get an official one. Next up, I'm going to come back to the Apple Pencil. I decided this time to go with an Autobox Symmetry Series 360 Elite because my UAG likes to slouch a lot, it falls down, and I feel like that's also part of the reason why my old iPad, which I'll show in a bit, it's really not that great. We have this thing now. Alright, and we'll just put this in here. Next will be the Apple Pencil. So I'll just set this over here. Let's get the Apple Pencil. This still has the plastic on it, so thank you Apple for at least keeping the plastic on one of your products. Designed by Apple in California. This is not having an engraving, so yep. Standard Apple Pencil. I think it does come with doesn't it come with, or at least didn't it just come with a tip? Like it, at least, nope. So, but I'm getting extras, so I'm getting some extra tips, by the way, so, just slide this back in here. Now let's move on to the iPad. Just get this frame. Hate how they want this pull tab design. Alright, here we go guys. Here it is, the iPad itself. I'm gonna set this to the side. Let's look at the paperwork like all the other unboxers usually do. Let's see, iPad Pro just shows you how to use it. Is it really that simple now? Regulatory, are they not? Oh, okay, they Apple stickers, nice. Good thing to get with a $1,500 product. This is mine, by the way. I got a brand new one. My grandma got me it. So we got the 20-watt brick, which is kind of slow. Oh, they now include a braided cable. Wow. They don't include a braided cable. Dang. So I guess they now include a braided 1 meter USB-C cable. I did not know it was a braided cable now. I'm just gonna take the plastic off of this. I'm gonna save the plastic because I like to. This one I'm going to save the plastic on. They'll come off. Yeah, alright, I'll just put that in here. Let's put the paperwork back here. Alright, here we go. Rip. Here it is. Alright, I'm gonna be right back, guys. I'm gonna go get the screen protector installed. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys. I did get a screen protector. So, I'm gonna go get this applied and I'll be back. Because I don't really apply screen protectors. Alright guys, so I got it applied. Let's get the stuff on it. Alright, let's see. We got the screen protector applied. Let's see. Let's put it in here. Let's put it at the top first. Okay, and this just pops up. We can put the Apple Pencil in here. Alright. We're going to, I'm gonna prop this up. Let's see, let's put the 30 watt USB-C in. Alright. Let's do this. Put this up here. And should power on. Should, oh, there we go. Okay. We got the Apple logo. And my iPad, my old one's dying. Alright, let's see. Swipe up, English, United States, grab my old one. Maybe I need to lock it. I was actually gonna start fresh, but well, I guess let's just manually set up. Let me put in the Wi-Fi password. Okay. And take this up back to your iPad. Continue, let's set up Face ID. Let's rotate it to portrait. Get started. Done this a lot. Okay. Let's set up a passcode. Okay. I'm going to don't transfer apps. I'm going to type in my app ID. Portrait. I do better. Alright. Should get a verification code. Alright. I'm gonna re-download all the apps. It's just I don't want to transfer like all my data. I'm going to do terms and conditions for accept. Probably move this a bit closer. Not too close, but at least closer. Just this over here works. Alright, let's see. Customize. Only download automatically. I'm going to end up disabling that. Enable location services. I don't want Apple Pay. Siri, sure. No. Sure. Let's do that. No. I want my dark mode. Get started. And there we are. Let's go ahead and let's actually see what the version is. It is 16.4.1, so let's go and update this. Type in my passcode. Let's actually disable auto updates. Agree. And there we go. Let's screw off Apple Pay. I'm going to record a video later on, guys, but for right now, that's going to be how it is. I'll give you guys an update later, but yeah, there we are for right now. Alright guys, so it's been a little over a week. Let's check the calendar. So I got this on the 20th. So it's been, let's see, a week and 4 days that I've had this iPad. Now I'm gonna show you guys what's on the iPad. So I did make it look a lot like my old iPad because I liked how I had it set up. I did not transfer, so yeah, I still have not reset the old one. I'm not playing on it right now. But this is the iPad. Basically, it's been working well. Basically, I'm not gonna show what's on it individually. I'm not gonna go through it all, but I'll just let you guys pause and take a look at what I have on here. So yeah, so basically just gonna wrap up the video that basically the iPad's been working good. It's pretty fast. I've been going between this one and my old one, so yeah. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the bell so you guys will see new notifications on when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.